Welcome back. Today, we're gonna take this beautiful mushroom here, this is oyster mushroom, and we are going to make it as unhealthy as possible. Which means we're gonna fry the crap out of it, and we're gonna make it into like a mushroom wing. It's gonna be super simple, very easy. It's gonna be mush yummy. Very mush yummy. It's gonna be very mush yummy. Tom! Alright, so we're using something new here. Usually I use my eggs, but we're gonna use an egg replacer for all the vegans out there. So I've never used this before. We're gonna see how it works. You just mix 1 tablespoon of this with 2 tablespoons of water. So let's do that first. Should we eyeball it? We usually eyeball everything. No, let's measure it. I don't have any. All right, we're gonna eyeball it because I don't have any, I can't find my measuring spoons. All right, let's take some of this. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know, a couple tablespoons. Mix some water. So you can definitely use eggs, you can use chia seeds, you can make a chia egg or a flax egg. We're basically gonna be doing dry, wet, dry. So we're gonna go dry. Tapioca flour, I'm gonna use this. Somebody told me to use tapioca flour. That gives an extra crunch, more so than regular flour. This is a looks like a very fine flour. And we are gonna season the flour with some garlic, some onion, and salt and pepper. I make my own salt and pepper because I'm bougie. These are from peppers from the garden last year, habanero peppers, and I just mix it with pink salt. Mix up the flour, and time to get messy. This egg thing is interesting. It thickened up quite a bit, so I probably used way too much. So follow the directions and measure your shit. I don't do that. But yeah, it's pretty thick. Looks eggy. All right, time to make a mess. Take your lovely oysters, flour first, fried oysters. These are gonna be better than any fried chicken. They're gonna be healthier even though they're not healthy because they're fried. Put them in the egg. Let's put them all in. Typically you do it one at a time. I hope I don't botch this recipe. What's that show where they used to put stuff in a box and you have to close your eyes and reach inside the box? Yeah. Oh. This feels so weird. How does it look? All right, so now that you got swamp hands, I'm gonna go back in the flour. And these we're gonna take our time and do one at a time. That's what you want. This one hand's just like, hey guys, I'm covered in egg. Boop, boop, boop. I like to fry around 275. Let's throw one in the pool and see what happens. Let's take this small guy. Oh. Oh, did you hear that? Oh. Yeah. What do you guys want, sriracha? I got sriracha mayo or honey mustard. What was that? Oh, you said, oh, this one? Sriracha, okay, sriracha mayo. They want sriracha mayo. Don't put too many in at once. Make sure they all have their own little space in there. So you get browning on all the sides and so you don't drop the temperature of the oil too much. Putting cold stuff in the oil. Don't do that. Don't. All right, I can't wait. I'm going in. This one looks good. I'm going in. I'm going in. This camera, that camera, both cameras. It looks a little oily, but it's Sunday. It's the day of the shroom. Oh my God, that crunch. Wow. It doesn't even need sauce. Even the stem. The stem is super tender. Mmm. 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 It just makes you want to dance. All right, I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna sauce them and do it upright. All right, I lied. One more. We're gonna eat one more. Want one?
Not right now. You know what? Fine, I'll try one.
Tom's gonna eat a mushroom, guys. Hi, Tom.
Let's see what Pat's got here, okay?
That crunch. He wants to dance, he just doesn't have any moves. Is he gonna dance? You guys wanna see him dance? Look at that. Oh, get it, oh, get it. Fried oyster mushrooms. Look at that. Fried oysters, guys, make them. It's a good way to stretch out the oysters too, because if you saute them, it's kind of like spinach where it shrinks down and then you start with this much and you end with this much. Whereas when you bread them and you fry them, you start with this much and you end with this much because you get all the breading and the crispiness and the goodness on there. So get some oysters, specifically from Union City Farm. That's the only place to buy mushrooms ever. Bring them home, fry them, enjoy them, make them for the whole family, make them for the whole neighborhood. If you guys like the content, if you like me and you like my food that I didn't burn, like, comment, subscribe, spread the mush love, eat the mush love, eat the deliciousness, get the goodies in you, and eat more mushrooms. They're good for your soul, I promise. I'm gonna take the kiss part out. I don't know why I keep doing the kiss.